Hey guys, this is Chris with Half Chrome. It has been way too long since I've been with you. It has been a heck of a holiday season. Today we're doing something special. We are still in the holiday spirit, as you can see, and today we are giving away one of these, the DJI Mavic Mini. This is the first DJI drone I've owned where the drone is the same size as the remote. Now make sure you stay to the end. We're going to tell you how you can win one of these. I'm going to be right back. Okay, cue the Mavic Mini B-roll. We have used this thing for a lot. We've got a whole playlist. Make sure you subscribe to check that out. We've flown this thing inside to get some cool footage. I've done a real estate shoot with it. I took this to Florida with me, flew over the Everglades, don't worry, not the national park. Looking for some alligators, but didn't find any. They'd all gone to sleep for the afternoon, but still some really cool stuff I got down there. We did a Wi-Fi interference test comparing to some other DJI drones. This guy does pretty darn good considering. We did a review and maybe most notably 10 worst features of the Mini video that's gotten some heat. But that's okay. This is still a great little drone. I actually like the 2.7K footage out of the Mavic Mini more than the 4K footage I get out of the Mavic Air. So this is a go-to drone, the go-to travel drone for me. And today we're giving one away. Now make sure you stay to the end. Read down in the description when this giveaway is going to be over. And I'm about to tell you how you can win. Now, what we're going to do is something a little bit different than we've done in the past. We're going to be going off of the comments. It's not going to be the first comment. It's not going to be the 10th comment. It's going to be the comment that makes us laugh the most. We got to scroll through a bunch of comments. We might as well have some fun doing it. If they're good enough, we might even just record ourselves reading through them to announce the winner. So make sure you leave some funny comments. You know, what makes us laugh? I mean, it's very subjective, but do your best. Make us laugh. We want to have some fun with this. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the description. Also check us out at halfchrome.com. We've got more details about the giveaway and the Mini there as well. I've got a link in the description for that as well. Good luck making us laugh in the comments.